Welcome to Kitchenesia, your go-to channel for inspiring kitchen ideas and cozy home vibes. Today, we're exploring the timeless charm of Claire Thomas's fresh French country small kitchen in light sage greens and white. Stay with us until the end for beautiful design tips you'll love. Imagine stepping into a charming French country kitchen where soft light sage green cabinetry meets crisp white walls. The rustic wooden countertops and vintage brass hardware blend seamlessly with delicate floral accents, creating a peaceful and inviting atmosphere bathed in natural sunlight. The gentle hues carry you further into a quaint space where open shelves display pristine white ceramics. Weathered wood and marble surfaces add timeless character, evoking the simplicity and warmth of countryside living. This kitchen feels both elegant and wonderfully lived in. As your eyes wander, subtle distressed finishes on cabinets reveal stories of past gatherings, while a classic white farmhouse sink anchors the space. Soft linen curtains filter the daylight, wrapping the room in quiet serenity and inviting you to pause and breathe. Here, sage green shaker-style cabinets harmonize with white stone countertops, inviting rustic charm with every detail. The vintage-style white range cooker complements the warm lighting, casting gentle shadows that enhance the kitchen's character and calm. Delicate ceramic jars and fresh herbs in terracotta pots bring life to aged wood shelves. The soft interplay of antique and modern rustic elements creates a kitchen where tradition and comfort coalesce beautifully, a true sanctuary for cooking and connection. The cozy breakfast bar with woven stools beckons, framed by cabinetry that balances sage green tones with white walls. Natural textiles add softness, inviting quiet mornings and slow afternoons spent savoring simple pleasures. A matte finish on cabinets meets white marble countertops, while open shelves showcase vintage glassware. Rustic wooden beams overhead whisper rustic tales, and an antique brass faucet adds a refined touch to this peaceful retreat. Fresh wildflowers in simple white vases brighten white beadboard walls, complementing the farmhouse sink and wooden butcher block counters. This harmonious blend of textures and colors invites moments of calm and quiet reflection. Pastel sage greens and whites drape the space in soft serenity. Open wooden shelving with neatly stacked crockery and gently patterned curtains frame rustic wooden floors, crafting an atmosphere that feels timeless and warmly familiar. Vintage white range hoods and quartz countertops merge with rustic wooden accents. Soft natural lighting bathes the space, allowing delicate ceramic pitchers on open shelves to glow with understated elegance. Soft beadboard backsplash and brushed brass fixtures accent sage green cabinetry, paired with a wooden island that wears an antique finish. Linen curtains gently diffuse sunlight, enhancing the kitchen's quiet charm and inviting warmth. Classic paneling on sage green cabinets frames marble countertops, while open shelves hold white stoneware. Muted lighting and rustic floorboards deepen the calm ambience, making this kitchen a comforting refuge. The farmhouse apron sink with brass taps sits beside shaker-style sage cabinets and crisp white walls. Vintage pottery and a wooden dining nook enrich the space with natural textures and a sense of home. A rustic wooden island topped with marble balances, antique brass hardware, and white stone backsplash. Fresh greenery in simple pots adds life, creating an inviting and cozy kitchen perfect for quiet moments. Natural light floods sage green cabinets with a soft matte finish. Open wooden shelves display white ceramics, while aged wooden floors and floral accents complete a timeless and serene kitchen setting. Beadboard walls meet antique brass fixtures and rustic wooden countertops, softened by linen curtains. The gentle warmth of natural light creates an inviting, peaceful kitchen where simplicity shines. Vintage-style white ranges and neatly arranged white crockery on open shelves bring the kitchen to life. Soft, natural textiles add warmth, rounding out a serene French country atmosphere that welcomes calm and comfort. Thank you for joining us on this journey through fresh French country kitchen style. Remember, soft sage greens and rustic white elements create a warm, inviting space perfect for any home. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time.